And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why we're not going to be doing any videos outside. Hi everyone, well, it's the day before the exam and we're getting to the point where I'm pretty much ready as I'm ever going to be. I'll just show you the type of thing that I've had to revise. See all these pink books of amazing information? Just basically learning cases and how to argue with the cases and what the statutes mean for any particular piece of information. There's a lot of pages, but as you can see, a lot of them have hardly anything on them. So it's really not been as daunting. as it looks. And I think, to be honest with you, as long as I can remember how to argue my point, then I'll be alright. It's something I mentioned on my blog last night, that history, in a lot of people's minds, is kings and dates and battles. And law is a lot of people saying, my lord, or your honour, and then saying, well, this statute says X, but this case says X actually means Y, so we can argue this. That's pretty much what law is. It's all about the argument there, the cases and the statutes. You've got to know them, but you've got to know how to apply them, and that's the biggest problem. So I'm hopeful that I'll be alright with it regardless of whatever happens. But we'll have to wait and see because, of course, I haven't done it yet. Oh, doesn't that look brilliant?
Told you, see? See?
I have to admit, I do like the noise.
It's relaxing. This is the train I've waited 11 years to run.
Wow. So it's the day after the exam now. I was going to vlog yesterday, but to be honest with you, once I got out of the exam, I went and had a coffee and decided that I just wanted the day off from everything. So I thought I'd talk today about what happened. It's been great. I think I've done well on the exam. I'll not know until December, of course. It's just before Christmas that we actually get the results. But I'm fairly confident. I went in, saw the questions, and decided, question 1, I can answer that. Question 2, I can answer that. Question 3 was a little bit tricky, so I decided best not to try that one because I want to make sure that I get the points, of course. Question 4 was good. Question 5 was alright. So I only had to answer 2 out of those 5 questions. I went for 1 and 2. Next section was exactly the same. A couple of that were a bit tricky, so I decided to avoid them just in case and went for 2 that I thought I could answer. So I feel pretty confident in all. So that's the final exam, and once this is done, if I pass, which I hope I do because it's been 5 years worth of hard work, then I'll get another degree. I'll get a law degree this time. But I'm looking forward to that, and then that's 5 years of hard work that's paid off. So what am I doing now? Well, yesterday I decided I would have the day off. I watched a bit of House on DVD. I watched a few things on the internet. I saw the Dragon Age Redemption episode 1 for the first time because I've been avoiding everything since I was revising. And it's good to see Felicia Day in a badass role again. Suddenly it's like, wow, this is live action role playing. And one of the weapons in it, as you have an axe, and it's just so brilliant. It looks like an axe that I've got in the spare bedroom for live action role playing. And I thought, this is the series for me. So I'm enjoying that one. I'm looking forward to the rest, and that'll be good. But now, of course, it's back to work. I've got comics to do today, and I've got articles to write, and lots of things to catch up on. So I'm going to be very, very busy today. So let's get cracking, and I'll see you later.